Welcome to this hidden gem in Mooresville, Indiana, a 5.5-acre sanctuary where nature meets comfort. This peaceful retreat wraps you in warmth and adventure. Even the chickens agree. Join me as we explore this slice of paradise, National Geographic style.
Deep in the heart of Mooresville, Indiana, we enter a rare and breathtaking landscape where nature's charm meets the peace and tranquility of a secluded retreat. Here, amidst 5.5 acres of pristine countryside, lies a home unlike any other. The home, nestled at the edge of the woods, stands as a charming and cozy sanctuary. It may not boast grand scale, but it envelops you with warmth and comfort the moment you step inside, a place where simplicity and serenity blend, offering the perfect space to relax, unwind, and feel truly at home. Here, in the detached 2-bay garage, we find a surprise, a sanctuary. The space has been transformed into an office, a guest house, and much more. This humble abode is so secluded, the cellar hosts an annual party where the sounds of a live band echo through the woods, reverberating with the energy of friends, family, and the open air. And then there is the iconic red barn, standing proudly against the backdrop of lush greens. It's more than just a barn, it's a lively part of this property. Here, chickens roam freely, adding a touch of charm to this countryside haven. And on the backside of the barn, a stage awaits, ready to host live music and gatherings beneath the stars. As we move through the property, we find a dazzling display of nature's finest. Hummingbirds flit from flower to flower, their iridescent feathers shimmering in the sunlight, a testament to the rich biodiversity this sanctuary fosters. By night, this retreat becomes something truly magical. With no light pollution to obstruct the view, the stars shine brighter here than you'll find in the city. The vast, unspoiled night sky stretches endlessly above, offering an unparalleled view of the cosmos. The land also offers plenty of space for horses to roam freely. With lush, open fields and ample room for grazing, this property is an ideal place for equestrian enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to ride, care for your horses, or simply enjoy their company, the expansive land provides the perfect setting. Through the lens of a birdwatcher's eye, this place is nothing short of extraordinary. With woodpeckers hammering their rhythm into the trees and eagles gracing the skies, this is a sanctuary for nature lovers. Every morning brings a new song from the creatures that call this land home. The land extends into the woods, a vast and untouched wilderness. Trails wind through the trees, inviting exploration. For the adventurous, this landscape offers space for ATV rides, camping, and the freedom to roam. Here, nature is both a playground and a refuge. As the sun sets over this 5.5-acre paradise, one can only marvel at the serenity this property offers. With acres to roam, wild beauty at every turn, and a home that blends effortlessly into the landscape, it's a rare treasure waiting to be discovered. On this sprawling estate, life is rich in both simplicity and grandeur, a place where nature's wonders are embraced and human creativity thrives. Welcome to a life of peace, adventure, and connection with the land. Welcome to your own slice of paradise.